I measured 10 inches, and it's still coming down. It's only 20 degrees. I can't even see my front steps. Hardly any cars are on the street. This is what you call a snowstorm. So I bought out my trusty snowblower and started clearing away the snow on the sidewalk around the house. Look at that. Much easier than shoveling. Just put it down and push the snow. Just gotta take a little time and remove the snow. This gadget is pretty cool. You can dictate which way you want the snow to blow. I'm blowing it to the left. Wow. This is the great January snow of 2026 here in Pittsburgh, PA. Use my trusty mini snow blower. Halfway done. And thanks for watching Kurt's Home Living.